our stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 36 inches, a depth of 24 inches in the overall height, standing at 34.5 inches tall. Measurements for the bottom desk will include 29.25 inches by 16 inches in depth. Measurements for the distance between the bottom shelf towards the top of the table will include 20 inches tall. Located to the left is the NSF certification, and the protective film can be peeled off. That's protecting the stainless steel finish. This table will hold and support the weight of the equipment that we sell through Cooler Depot, such as griddles, broilers, burners, and much more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.